Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atala Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that in an interview, Vitalik Buterin said that they are halfway with Ethereum 2.0. Then the second thing I would like to discuss is that the 3/4 of Bitcoin supply is actually illiquid right now. So the 3/4 of it of the full supply. So this is a big number. And the third thing is that OpenSea raises another 300 million for encrypted digital marketplace. So now the total value, market value of OpenSea is 13.3 billion US dollar. Is definitely a growing area. OpenSea is doing pretty well on the NFT market. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get, the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you. Subscribe, bell button, down here. The only thing you have to do, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Check out the links under the video. Many useful ones you can save money with when you register to centralized exchanges. And of course, there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, a useful course with many great things, especially if you are somewhere at the beginning. Okay, and now it's time to look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is at the moment $46,176 US dollar, which is bit less than 1% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is also doing very similarly in decrease, 3,786 US dollar. When we're looking at here, the top gainers, then we can see that, we have Mina going up 17%, then we have LivePeer going up 16%, and Internet Computer 15%. Okay, let's check out the losers. And now, again, not big losers. Year in Finance, 7% down. Bora, 6% down. IOTA, almost 5.5% in the top 100. So, yeah, why Bitcoin doing this kind of sideways movements? Still on. Actually, let's check the candlestick chart. Not major moves on the market. And when we're looking at here, Bitcoin, look, we are here actually on a crucial level. Look, I drew here this white trend line. Look at that. And, we are actually right on it at the moment. And another support, which has been a support for a couple of times, is this 46,000 level. So if this will break, then we can go obviously further down. But the two key areas while I'm watching is 42,000. If we break this is another scenario. And also if we break, we're not there. We're kind of halfway actually between this kind of 53,000 level. This could make another bullish move, but we either have to stay above this, or if you're going in another direction, this could bring in some bearish times. But right now, look, since we have it here, beginning of December, so for more than a month, we are sideways, undecided the direction yet. Okay, let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is today that in an interview, Vitalik said that Ethereum 2.0 is actually halfway. So about 50% is done so far. If you remember, then back in December, but not last year, in 2020, phase 0 has started on Ethereum 2.0, basically staking Ethereum. And, the new era has started because now Ethereum is shifting from proof of work to proof of stake. So this is the big step. And in an interview now, Vitalik said that we are 50% of the way there. And, let's get in some details a little bit. So the first step is called the merge, referring to the full transactions away from proof of work to proof of stake taking place in the first half of 2022. So in this year, first part of it. Part 2, called the Surge, plans to give Ethereum increased scalability, massive bandwidth, and throughput, particularly on ZK rollups. So the Merge and the Surge are the most important upgrades, according to Buterin, to building out the Ethereum network. And this, the first part, the Merge, is probably happening in the first part of 2022. So when we asked to evaluate Ethereum's progress made so far in the past 6 years, Buterin asserted that we are 50% of the way there, thanks to launch of Beacon Chain, the London hard fork, and even the rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, but there is still a long way to go. So once the Merge and the Surge go through, and there is a full sharding implementation, then it will supposedly 80% completed. So the roadmap, which is estimated to take another 6 years to complete, will lead to 100% optimization, according to Buterin. Well, they are kind of halfway, but very important. If the Merge and Surge and the full sharding implementation will happen, then they move up a lot, and that will be like 80%. And also he said that admitted that Ethereum is not yet a layer 1 system that is ready for direct mass adoption. Why? He also said that the need for a layer 2 scaling solutions are reduced. It's very, very important to reduce the transaction fees. So layer 2 solutions are still important. Okay, it wasn't just like back in 2021. This is an ongoing thing because we actually not even close to the fact that we can take that part out. And also when Ethereum 2.0 is functioning, layer 2 solutions can still help in scalability. Okay, so this is, I think, important things because they're all looking forward to Ethereum 2.0 to start. Okay, next thing I would like to talk about is that the 3/4 of the Bitcoin supply is right now illiquid. And I think this is important information. Right now, about 18.8 million Bitcoin is out, and the full supply will be 21 million, roughly speaking, in 2140. But which is a very, very important thing to point out, the 3/4 of the Bitcoin supply is now illiquid. So around 76% of the total circulating Bitcoin supply is now illiquid, according to on-chain analytic from Glassnode. And Glassnode stated that the total supply held by long-term holders has plateaued over the past month or so. This suggests that the long-term investors have stopped spending or selling coins and have become holders or even accumulators at this stage. The current supply held by long-term holders is 13.35 million Bitcoin, a decline of just 1.1% from October high, when Bitcoin has reached its all-time high around 68,000. So with 13.5 million coins at the present. So Glassnode defines that these long-term holders as wallets or accounts that have held their Bitcoin for more than 155 days. So they consider long-term holder if someone holds it longer than 155 days. And this is actually kind of, not moving anywhere. 1.1% decrease from the all-time high, because now we're speaking about numbers like Bitcoin is 46,000. So it's more than 30% drop we have experienced here. But even with this, the 3/4 of Bitcoin, it's just not moving. So it's illiquid. And this is a bullish thing, actually, because that means people believe in crypto, believe in Bitcoin, and those not moving it at all, they just keep it for the future. And this is bullish for Bitcoin, obviously. Okay, and the third thing, let's talk about OpenSea, because they raised another 300 million US dollar. OpenSea, it's a huge NFT marketplace, for non-fungible tokens. And here in the news, we can see that OpenSea raises 300 million for encrypted digital marketplace. So the market value of it now with this 13.3 billion with this new cash injection. So OpenSea said it was going to use the money to further develop its product, enhance customer service and security, invest in the wider NFT and Web3 communities, and hire more employees. So make it actually more work, because it's very, very important. Now you can see that even the Bitcoin price and the tokens and coin prices basically going down, not the NFTs, because the top quality blue chip NFTs are on an increase right now. And when new projects coming out, there's a big demand for NFTs, and therefore OpenSea is actually a hotspot right now. So in 2021, NFTs played a major role in the mainstream success of crypto and blockchain. The industry recorded over 14 billion in sales during the year. It's a big number, with a digital art collection and digital collectibles among 91% of transactions, according to company data. OpenSea has already generated more than 700 million worth of trade volume since the start of 2022. So guess what? Almost 1 billion already. And we are on the 5th of January. So you can see how big the need for NFT market is, and OpenSea is definitely one of the leaders for sure in that area. And this can continue in this year, 2022. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this content. If yes, then smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, so you don't miss any important information, because I'm keeping you up to date. I bring you these videos every weekday. And of course, tomorrow I'm back with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.